Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. Now, it's no secret that the world of crypto, and this certainly includes XRP, the price action's extremely volatile. It is all over the freaking place, right? And so the question becomes, when should you buy XRP? Well, I've got some opinions from multiple chart analysts indicating the direction they think things may go, including low points potentially for XRP price in the short term, as well as where it might go in terms of a bull break sooner than later. And you might be surprised to see what they have to say. So I've got lots to share in this video, as well as a follow-up on something that I mentioned yesterday. I'm going to use this to illustrate in part what's happening with XRP, but this crazy rally that's been happening with Chainlink. But before we go any further, if you would please delicately tap that like button, I would definitely appreciate the support. You don't have to. You can still hang out if you don't want to. If you're like, yeah, screw that Moon Lambo guy. That's fine. That's fine. It's okay. I get it. I have a stupid name. Which, actually, I should mention this, too. Like, there's so many new people entering the world of crypto and finding my channel for the first time, and they're like, what is this stupid Moon Lambo? Yeah, just to be clear, it is an actual joke. It's literally a joke. It sounded stupid. When I entered the world of crypto in late 2017, I saw people saying, win Moon, win Lambo. So just kind of smash the two together, and there you got it. It's stupid, and I thought it was just hilarious. It's like caveman speak, win Moon, win Lambo. So there you go, Moon Lambo, because it's stupid, and I'm making fun of everybody that was actually using such vernacular, right, within the crypto sphere. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel, because if you do, you will be a better and happier person. There's definitely science behind that. I do want to be clear also, I am not a financial advisor, no financial background here whatsoever. I am not offering advice. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. Just share my everyday Joe Schmo opinion with you, and it's fun to talk about this stuff as a member of the XRP community. As I record this, XRP is broken above 30 cents again. Bitcoin is at $11,872, and the market cap for the crypto asset class is at $362 billion. And you look at this. So actually, I have the 12-month chart pulled up just to kind of illustrate how ridiculously volatile XRP can be. But it's funny. You might look at this and be like, well, how the hell do you know what to do? Well, in my experience, and again, none of this is actual advice, but in my experience, you know, it's like good luck timing a top or a bottom. You know, because you would love to buy in at the bottom and sell at the top. In reality, it's never so clean cut, and don't expect yourself to actually hit that. If you do, it's more luck than anything else in all likelihood here. And so that's why for me, I just dollar cost average in, and I still continue to purchase XRP. And I bought initially late 2017 around 20 or so cents. And after the the bubble popped, and XRP almost hit $4, and then once it got closer to 50 cents, I've been buying ever since. And so for me, the answer is just dollar cost average in. Now, as far as what's going to happen in the short term, I am going to get to that as well. But even with XRP price being down a little bit within the last several days or so, it's up just shy of 50% over the last 30 days. Look at that. It's freaking crazy, right? You've got Bitcoin, which frankly is not doing too shabby either here. Over the last 30 days, up 28%. So let's jump into this piece now from Daily Hodl, titled Top Traders Name 5 Altcoins Set to Rally. When to buy Ethereum and XRP, and what's next for Bitcoin? Well, I'm going to focus primarily on XRP, so I think I just wanted to jump down on this particular one. This does come from Michael Vendepop, known as Crypto Michael on the Twitters here. So let me go down a little bit further. Here we go. Well, I'll jump in here. They start talking about Ethereum, but it segues into XRP, so I'll just cover both. It's short. Meanwhile, Michael Vendepop is keeping a close eye on Ethereum after going vertical over the last few weeks. He says he's waiting for the second largest cryptocurrency to significantly correct down to $320 and then $280 before placing long positions. And so I don't cover XRP or Ethereum on this channel much at all. I will mention, since it was covered right there, Ethereum, as I record this, is at $395, and he's saying he's waiting for it to get down to $320 or maybe $280. So keep that in mind when he says this next piece, a little part about XRP. He's just given his honest opinion, even though it's potentially negative. He writes, it's the same for XRP. The analyst says the third largest crypto is now ripe for a retracement after a strong push above 32 cents. Vandepop is eyeing 28 cents and 24 cents as possible levels to take longs. So, I'm not a fan myself of timing markets, but if you're trying to find the best entry point, according to Crypto Michael at least, you may have an opportunity at either 28 or maybe even 24 cents, which compared to where it's at now would be quite a buy. That'd be quite a discount, right? Next, here's a piece from You Today where they give analysis for a bunch of different cryptocurrencies, but again, this is an XRP-centric channel, so I'm going to focus on that. And also, I do talk about Bitcoin because in terms of price action in particular, XRP does undeniably follow Bitcoin. But here's what they have to say about XRP. They pretty much think it's going to be kind of even-keeled for a little bit anyway. They write, even though XRP is located in the green zone over the past 24 hours, it has lost 3.9% of its value over the previous 7 days. On the 4-hour chart, XRP has bounced back to the local support zone of 28.3 cents. The trading volume is at a medium level. However, liquidity is high enough, meaning that short-term growth is more likely than not a decline. If bulls can hold XRP above 29 cents, there is a high chance of seeing the third most popular crypto trading in the range of 29.5 cents and 30 cents by mid-August 2020. So they didn't go out as far on a ledge as the next individual I'm going to share with you, which actually may have been the same. Was it? No, this is Rakesh Upadhyay. Yeah, so the one from You Today didn't really want to get too gutsy, or maybe they just genuinely think it's going to be hovering around there for at least through mid-August, which fine if that's what they really think. But most chart analysts that I've been reading from today, they really think it's more likely not going to go in one direction or the other and not really stay put that long. So we'll see here. But Rakesh Upadhyay, who writes for Cointelegraph, gave his price analysis today for a bunch of cryptocurrencies, including XRP. And we're just going to go down to the XRP portion because, like I said earlier, man, this is an XRP-centric channel. Damn it. You can't make me talk about other coins. I'm going to do that. Ain't nobody got time for that. XRP is currently trading inside a falling wedge pattern, which usually acts as a bullish setup. If the bulls can push the price above the wedge, the uptrend is likely to resume with the first target at 34.6 cents, and then, check this out, 43.2 cents. My gosh, can you imagine? Because, and this is it's so funny because I've been in the XRP community for almost 3 years, and no matter where the price goes, but let me just talk about when it goes down. When it goes down, what happens? There's always going to be a certain percentage of people, not that it's a ton of people. I think most people in the XRP community are pretty level-headed, but there's enough humans in the space that it's like your Twitter feed gets taken over by Chicken Little with the skies falling, that type of crap. Oh my god, why is XRP down? I can't believe it. What is wrong with this token? What is Ripple doing, this or that? And you saw that type of stuff just weeks ago, when XRP was like 17, 18, 19 cents. And my gosh, like I keep saying, like in the world of crypto, things happen quickly here, right? And now you're talking about potentially going up to 43 cents. That's why it's like, cool your jets, bro. Like Dilip Rao said, just cool your jets. They also write, the correction from 32.6 cents has been healthy as it has pulled down the RSI from deeply overbought levels. Both moving averages are sloping up, which suggests that the bulls have the upper hand. The bullish view will be invalidated if the bears sink the price below the wedge and the 20-day EMA, 26.7 cents. Such a move will be a negative sign that can drag the XRP/USD pair to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at 24.4 cents. So you have two different chart analysts saying on the low end, if the bears have their way, you may have an opportunity again at 24 cents if you want to buy in. And if it goes to 43 cents and you wait, you might be crying, oh, why didn't I get it at 30 cents? So it's like, that's why, again, for me, like, do what you want. I'm not over financial advice, like I keep saying over and over and over again, because I'm not. But for me, I just choose to keep purchasing on a regular basis, and that way I don't have to worry about it. Like, I don't feel bad at all when I started buying in it was around 50 cents when it was on its way back down. I don't feel bad at all that I bought XRP around there because I'm not focusing on what the United States dollar value of my XRP is today, because I understand that it's extremely volatile because it's a nascent asset class. There's a frenzy around it, and it's illiquid. So those are the reasons why, two of the big reasons, right? And so I don't care in terms of United States dollars what it's worth today, not really. I care about how much XRP I have. And so that's the number that I focus on. I don't worry about how much how volatile it is from day to day. It doesn't matter. Like, it's interesting to track this stuff. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying what I really mean by that is to say it doesn't emotionally affect me in terms of feeling cognitive dissonance about holding, or emotional feelings like in terms of should I buy or sell anything. Like, no, like, to me it never strikes me like that. Now, I made a video just yesterday about it was about XRP, of course, but I brought up Chainlink for a couple reasons, and I used it to illustrate a couple things: how ridiculously volatile crypto can be, and how things can happen completely out of the blue. So in fact, I'll just go ahead and pull up the chart first. So I shared this chart yesterday. This is the all-time chart of Chainlink. So it looks like it's only been around since, what's this? No, the earliest date here is September 20th, 2017. So less than 3-year-old cryptocurrency. And so you can see, look, so like, even though it went from 16 cents up to, what's this, on January 11th, 2018, looks like it had a high of $1.26. That's when the whole crypto market, the bubble popped, and then just went down, down, down. And just consider this, okay? Because I've talked about how XRP can trade sideways for long periods of time, and even in 2017 there was a 6-month period where it looked like it was just trading sideways, and it looked like it was not attached to the price action of Bitcoin, but it always was, and it still is. And that's why I say if you zoom out on a chart, it's more visible. But if you get down, imagine if you look at a 1-minute chart, or a 1-hour chart, or a 1-day chart, it doesn't really paint the whole picture, but if you zoom out enough, you can see that it's attached to the price action of Bitcoin. XRP definitely is, but still, it can trade sideways for long periods of time. And so part of what I wanted to highlight here with Chainlink, because it went from, around the time when I entered the world of crypto in, November 2017, it was like 16 cents, and today it's worth $14.38, but it didn't even start to pick up until, when did it start to move back up here? Say roughly, what do you want to call this, like May of 2019, and even then it was just back up to $1.25, right? And then the most recent burst, it's happened within the last couple of weeks or so, last 2-3 weeks, And so you can't just predict this necessarily. I understand chart analysts are trying to call this stuff, and sometimes they get it right, but my gosh, the frenzy around this, because part of this is always, it's just the fear of missing out phase of all this. And so the reason I wanted to highlight this is because you can see sideways trading action with XRP for a long time, and then out of nowhere, at some point, it's just going to pop, because this is not going away. That's my firm belief on this. And you saw that. I remember early December watching YouTube videos about people talking about how XRP is not doing anything. I'm selling my XRP. Then a week later, it went from 20-something cents to almost $4. So good luck if you want to time the markets. I wish you the best. It's probably not going to go well for you, though. Also wanted to highlight, and I mentioned this in my video yesterday, how according to On-Chain FX, the crypto market, the market cap for Chainlink is where is it here now? 13.3 billion, and so it's number 3 in market cap according to On-Chain FX, and that puts Tether at 12.6 billion and XRP at $9.5 billion. So I was like, what the hell is this? Like, Live Coin Watch, and I'll show you now. Live Coin Watch has XRP still in number 3 at 13.3 billion. Same for CoinMarketCap. Number 3 at 13.3 billion. And so there was one person that I caught in my comment section here, and I want to give a shout out. Amon Ra, the Dragon of the Sun, wrote, Link has a bunch in escrow that, when factored in or not, will change the market cap drastically. So if that's true, if they're counting escrowed Link, then that could have pushed it up perhaps. And I responded to him. This is my initial reaction back then, and I wanted to share it with you. It's just that On-Chain FX, if that's true, and they're factoring that in, well, let me point out that they are not factoring in the escrowed XRP that Ripple or anyone else holds. Not only that, Robert Smith, shout out to you as well, wrote, Moon Lambo, they aren't even including all the XRP not in escrow. And that appears to be the case most certainly, right? Because, again, On-Chain FX, which is by Masari, which is an XRP hater, it's Ryan Selkis runs this, it doesn't like Ripple or XRP, has the market cap of XRP at $9.5 billion. Whereas Live Coin Watch and CoinMarketCap both have it at 13.3 billion. Or now it looks like it jumped up again. So this is Live Coin Watch, 13.6 billion. So how about that, dang nabbit? That is kind of interesting. But that is it for this video. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything, because of anything that I say or write, that would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.